Mailchimp versus Mailerlite. In this video, we're going to be talking about Mailchimp and Mailerlite, one of the most used and one of the most intensive softwares for your website creation, your email marketing, and even your automations. Okay, and these two are huge when it comes to something like this. Okay, small businesses, big enterprise, all of them use these two platforms for their email marketing. But if you clicked on this video, you're definitely here to find out which one of these are better and how do their features actually compare to each other? What's their differences and which one should you use according to your business? Okay, so I'm going to be going through it in great detail and depth. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can get a correct idea. Now, when it comes to Mailchimp versus Mailerlite, what you can pretty much think of is, you have two marketing softwares, okay? And each of them obviously do have different pricings, they have different features, but it totally depends on the style of business you're going in with, okay? Now, if you have a small business that, doesn't have a lot of traffic, then I'd say Mailchimp is perfect for you. But obviously, if you want to go with something much more advanced that will give you a lot more features, then I would definitely suggest Mailerlite. Okay, but advanced not in the way that it's just better when it comes to features. Advanced in the way that your business has a lot of traffic. Okay, because when it comes to traffic handling, Mailerlite would be better than Mailchimp. Okay, now Mailchimp is obviously, as you know, best for e-commerce stores. Brick and mortar businesses and experienced marketers are all very well affiliated with the people at Mailchimp. Now, Mailchimp's e-commerce integrations are extremely superb. Its SMS messages and physical postcards are also pretty good. They added this new SMS feature, which is pretty cool. Okay, and it's perfect for local businesses, and its advanced features and AI integrations will make marketers extremely happy. Okay, but obviously, Mailerlite, on the other hand, is best for beginners and most businesses on a budget. Okay, Mailerlite's free plan is among the best that you can get in the industry. It's easy to use for beginners while still providing enough features to satisfy most of their users. And obviously, you can sign up pretty simply through Mailchimp. What you're simply going to do is add your email address. Okay, so we're going to add that real quick. And here you're going to add a password for yourself. Okay, now once you do that, simply click on create my account. It doesn't take any credit cards from you, nothing like that. It's going to bring you straight to your dashboard where it's going to say that you need to verify your email. Okay, now the best part about Mailerlite is that although it does have a free plan, it gives you 30 days prior on their upper plans as well, so you can get a taste of what the advanced features on Mailerlite actually feel like. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be verifying my email address real quick. Okay, so I'm going to come here, add the link that they gave me to my email, and once we've added that, as you can see, the email configuration is done and we're into our dashboard. So this is Mailerlite. All right, we have our dashboard, which doesn't have much going on in it. Then we move over to campaigns. Okay, and obviously, to get over to campaigns, you are going to need to complete your profile, which shouldn't take you a lot of time. So just add all the information that it asks you. Obviously, I'm going to go with the e-commerce industry. Now it says, what tools are you interested in? You can go with all of these if you want to, but I personally am in campaigns, forms, and automations. Now, once that is done, you're going to move over to the next step where it's going to ask you all these things. So just agree to the terms that they are asking you to agree to. Add in your address and make sure to add in your country as well. And once you've added all these things, there we go. And now what you're going to do is add in your state and finally confirm with the details. Now, once that is done, you're going to be set up and you're good to go. Now you can simply go ahead and use Mailerlite as you please. Now, obviously, if we get more into the comparing features of these two brands, the pricing for Mailchimp is more limited free plans. Okay, relatively pricey paid plans are given, and a premium plan that costs 10 times more than the equivalent of the Mailerlite plan. And obviously, Mailerlite is a full featured free plan, robust economical paid plans that will serve most email marketers really well. Now, when it comes to the design capability, a clean interface and AI design features can be seen when it comes to designing in the Mailchimp servers. Okay, now over here, as you can see, you can design a regular email, design an automation, or a landing page. And obviously, when you're designing this, you get a really cool editor. Now, Mailerlite, on the other hand, gives you a proper drag and drop email editor with many pre-designed blocks for some speedy email creation. All right. Now, when it comes to ease of use, the Mailchimp platform is easy to use, but the platform's many features means learning everything takes a lot of time. Okay, that sure does take a chunk of your time out. Now, Mailerlite, on the other hand, is instantly intuitive, even for all of you beginners out there. Now, when it comes to advanced features, the Mailchimp features are not as advanced as some competitors, but Mailchimp shines as all-in-one marketing tool. Okay, Mailerlite, on the other hand, does email quite well. Other features tend to be pretty basic. All right, now the main thing in all of this is automations. So the automations of Mailchimp is clever use of AI to speed up email and design and content creation with much more on the roadmap. On the other hand, when it comes to this, with automations included for users of the free plan, it's the best to deal around. So automations, I definitely go with Mailerlite. Okay, you can find those right here, and you can work with their automated features as you go on. So automate welcome emails, use link triggers, tag subscribers, guide customers. It has the whole suite of features. All right. Now moving on to analytics. Now when it comes to the analytics of the Mailchimp servers, over here, you can see it gives you a whole marketing dashboard. So advanced e-commerce stats are seen with click maps, content optimizer, and much more. You can find all of those over here. They give you to the dot exact pointed analytics, okay, which is incredible. Now integrations, on the other hand, when it comes to both of these, you get the equal amount of integrations. Obviously, Mailchimp does have more integratory apps, but the features of integration apps for Mailerlite are the winner in this case. Okay, and Mailerlite provides more value for money and has a better free plan, which is definitely something you should look in. But Mailchimp has better templates and design features. Okay, and Mailchimp is also much easier to learn with more comprehensive as an all-in-one marketing tool. Okay, and obviously the automation for its pricing is also pretty useful. So I would definitely urge users out there that if you are a beginner, okay, I would suggest going with Mailerlite. A beginner with a lot of traffic, go with Mailerlite. But if you like to, stay comfortable and you're pretty comfortable in your field of work, I would definitely go with Mailchimp. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is when it comes to Mailchimp and Mailerlite. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. And furthermore, if there were any issues in this video and you didn't find anything understandable, let me know down in the comments below and I will do my best to make sure that I explain it to you. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is for me. Now, if you enjoyed watching, again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot. Share this along with people. And I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.